Add and remove transition. Transitions perform an effect as you move from one slide to the next. In PowerPoint 2007, transitions can be easily added to a slide using the Transitions Gallery. Here are the steps involved for applying a transition to a slide. Go to the View tab. Place the mouse on Presentation Views groups. Select Normal. From the Slides tab, select the slide to which you would like to add a transition. Go to the Animations tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Transition to this slide group. Click the Transitions Gallery and select the desired transition. To set the speed of the transition, from the Transition Speed pull-down list, select a speed. To add a sound to the transition, from the Transition Sound pull-down list, select a sound. To apply this transition to all your presentation slides, click Apply to All. You can preview any transition by moving your cursor over a transition icon in the Transitions Gallery. Removing transitions. Do the following. Go to the Animations tab. Move the mouse to the Transition to this slide group. From the Transitions Gallery, select No Transition. Transitions are removed from the selected slides. Inserting movie and sound clips. Here we are going to discuss how to insert movie clips like animated images. This animation can be seen while running the slideshow. Later we'll see about inserting sound clips which enhance our presentation. Inserting movie clips from the Clip Organizer. To do this, go to the Insert tab. Move the pointer over the Media Clips group. Click the arrow button below Movie, and choose Movie from Clip Organizer. The Clip Art task pane appears with all choices displayed. Make your choice that you wish to add, and run the slideshow. To search for clips by keyword, in the Search For text box, type your search criteria. Under Results Should Be, ensure that only Movies is selected. Click on the Go button. Now the matching results appear. Select a movie that you like. To view the movie with animation, run your slide by pressing F5. For inserting movies from a file, here are the steps. Click on the Insert tab. Move the mouse to the Media Clips group. Then click on the arrow below Movie. Choose Movie from File. The Insert Movie dialog box appears. From the Look In pull-down list, locate your media files and select a movie that you like. Finally, click OK. Run the slideshow. The movie appears on your slideshow. Let's discuss inserting sound clips through different ways. Inserting sounds from the Clip Organizer. Go to the Insert tab. Place the mouse pointer on the Media Clips group and click the arrow below Sound. Then choose Sound from Clip Organizer. The Clip Art task pane appears with all sound clips displayed. Select a sound that you'd like to add. This is the sound icon, which denotes that your slide has a sound. To search for clips by keyword, in the Search For text box, type your search criteria. Under Results Should Be, ensure that only Sounds is selected, and click the Go button. The matching results appear. When you click on a sound, an alert box appears asking how you want the sound to start. To play this sound automatically, click Automatically. Or to start your sound by clicking the mouse, click When Clicked. A sound icon appears on your file. Inserting sounds from a file. Bring the mouse to the Media Clips group in the Insert tab, and click on the arrow below Sound. Then choose Sound from File. The Insert Sound dialog box appears. Select the sound file that you wish to add. Click the OK button. An alert box appears asking you how you want the sound to start. To play the sound automatically, click Automatically. Or to start your sound by clicking the mouse, click on When Clicked. A sound icon appears on your slide. For listening to your sound clips, you need to have either speakers or headphones.